Okay, welcome back. Now our dividend, which is the number inside the box, has got quite a few digits, so we're going to have a much longer sum. Well, not sum, problem. Let's start. So we're dividing. 7 goes into 7 once. Timesing. 1 times 7 is 7. Minusing. 7 minus 7 is nothing. Bring down. Bringing down the 5. Okay. Back to divide at the top again. 7 into 5, 0 times. Times 0 times 7 is 0. Minus 5 minus 0 is 5. Bring down 9. Okay. Now we're dividing again. 7 into 59, we can probably say 8 times. 8, now it's your times step. 8 times 7 is 54. Sorry, not 54, 56. Okay, now our minus step. 9 minus 6 is 3, and 5 minus 5 is nothing. Now our bring down step. Bring down the 8. Okay, back to divide. 7 into 38. Your 7 times table is probably 5 times. Okay. Timesing 5 times 7 is 35. Minusing 38 minus, 8 minus 5 is 3, and 3 minus 3 is nothing. And then back to our bring down. We're going to bring down number 5 that's waiting at the top there. Okay. So we've got now back to divide step. 7 into 35 goes 5 times. Done our divide. Now our times. 5 times 7 is 35. Done our time step. Now our minus. 35 minus 35. Let's do it the old-fashioned way. 5 minus 5 is nothing, and 3 minus 3 is nothing. So the answer here is 0. We have no remainder because here we have 0 as an answer. So we have a perfect solution at the top there. 7 goes into 75,985, 10,855 times. Next one. Okay, we're going to move quite quickly for the sake of time. Let's go through this with our steps on the side here. 5 can't go into 2, so it's going to go into 27 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. Now minus step, 7 minus 5 is 2, and 2 minus 2 is nothing. And then back to our bring down step. We're going to bring down this 1. Okay. Now back to the top, which is divide. 5 into 21 will go 4 times. Time step. 4 times 5 is 20. That's the times done. Now minus. 1 minus 0 is 1, and 2 minus 2 is nothing. And then our bring down step. We've got a 1 left to bring down. Okay, now back to divide. 5 into 11 goes twice. Times 2 times 5 is 10. Minus 1 minus 0 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is nothing. And there's nothing to bring down, so we have a remainder of 1. Okay, got it. Okay, this one you're going to do, you're going to press pause, and you're going to copy it down, and then you're going to come and press play, and we'll go through it together. Okay, so let's have a look at it. First divide, so 3 into 7 goes twice. Then times, 2 times 3 is 6. Then minus, 7 minus 6 is 1. Then bring down. We bring down the next number, which is 3. Now we're dividing again. 3 into 13 goes 4 times. Times 4 times 3 is 12. Minus 3 minus 2 is 1, and 13 minus 12 is 1. And then we're going to go back to bring down again. What's the next number waiting? That 3 there. Okay, done our bring down. Now back to our divide. 3 into 13, 4 times. Done our divide. Times 4 times 3 is 12. Done our times. Now our minus. 13 minus 12 is 1. Done our minus. Now we're going to do our bring down. There's another one waiting there to come down. Another 3. Okay, done our bring down. Now back up to the top again for our divide. 3 into 13, again 4 times. Now our times, 4 times 3 is 12. Now our minus, 13 minus 12 is 1. Now I'll bring down. There's a 9 left, so let's bring it down. Okay, brought that down. Now I'll divide again. 3 into 19 will go 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. Minus 19 minus 18, or 9 minus 8 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is nothing. And that is our minus done, and that's our remainder because there's nothing to bring down. Okay, well done. You see that you can divide one digit into large numbers with your long division, and you have no problem with that now. And you're going to use this formula, the divide times minus and bring down, for very advanced division going forward, which means that you're already an expert, because if you know your 4 steps, you won't have a problem as long as you know your times tables. So I'll see you in the next lecture where we're going to learn to divide two digits into numbers inside the division box, and we'll see how that goes. That's not a problem either, as long as you know how to round numbers off, and I'm sure you're good at that. So I'll talk to you just now in the next lecture.